Hey you, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up the TradeZero Pro. And if you want to set up the TradeZero Pro, you need to know that with TradeZero Pro, I mean that you need to download the application and from there you can start trading with the TradeZero Pro. So right now we are here in our home screen, and what we're going to do is we select right here trade, and now we are having here the option to click on download Zero Pro. So we do this, and then we can select right here which build we want to use. Now I want the latest, so I select right here at build 648, download. And then right now he is downloading the file that we need to download. So it's almost done, and there it is. So we click right now here on the setup. Then you will get right here this notification. We do next. We do right here, you can do only for me. So if you want to do that, you can click on that, but I want to do right now everybody, that is fine. Then we do next, click here on I agree the license terms and conditions. Then we do next, install, and then right now he is installing Zero Pro v648. After clicking here on yes, and then it's going fast, if you can see. Then we do right here finish, and then if we close this and we go to search, and search for TradeZero, not TradeZero, Zero Pro of course. Click on Zero Pro, and now he's loading Zero Pro. And then there's one thing that we need to do, and that is log in with our credentials. So right now, if you can see, we just need to log in right here and fill in our password, and then we can use right here the TradeZero Pro, or sorry, Zero Pro. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.